Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make something transparent in photopea. Let's begin. Follow my step. First of all, open your object, image or edit text or open file or create file. Let's see. Step 1. Opacity. Opacity. And apply image or object. Lighten screen. Down. Insert a down image. Insert it and apply overlay screen lighten multiply. That's it. And step 2, see this text, right click, rasterize the text. Sorry. First of all, change the color, then right click, rasterize, then select the eraser tool, right click, use eraser tool, resize pointer with hardness, then apply. First of all, apply text, transparent, opacity 50%, then transparency, and apply object or image. Use part of. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Press Ctrl D. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my